This is madness.
COMEBLACK is Detail Lab's water-based trim and tire dressing. Its high content of silicone, advanced polymers, and SiO2 delivers rich, dark restoration with durable hydrophobics and UV defense. COMEBLACK renews and protects faded plastics, rubber, and vinyl without the dust-attracting greasiness of typical dressings. Simply wipe on COMEBLACK to the surface and level off with a microfiber towel. COMEBLACK can be used straight, undiluted, or 1-to-1 all the way up to 1-to-3. It works incredible on rubber mats like WeatherTech. And COMEBLACK, because it has elasticity, allowing the product to bend and move, it works phenomenal for engine bay dressing as well. Visit detaillab.com to get your bottle of COMEBLACK today.